Good afternoon, children. My name is Kumar Malakar. On this topic, will be start Birsa Munda, class 7. Class 7, subject English, topic Birsa Munda, part 2, SCP 3, 4. Now I will start. Look at this picture. Which pictures show that now Birsa Munda? Okay, SGP 3 session. Read the paragraph. Read the paragraph 3 and Birsa movement became a movement against the British government. Birsa Munda movement, Birsa Munda जो become against the British movement in one of the battles at Dumeri Hill. Now Dumeri Hill is place, but now near Ranchi, hundreds of innocent tribals, including women and children, were killed. But police failed to arrest Birsa. But including women and children were killed. But the police failed to arrest Birsa. For about 4 years, Birsa continued his fight against the government without getting arrested. So the government declared towards the capture Birsa. Towards government declares the rewards. I mean to say capture Birsa. Or but getting now arrest. Who is arrest? Birsa is arrest. But Birsa Munda is arrest. But now, so the government declare rewards to capture Birsa. But next, learn about the reward. Learn about the reward. Who reward? 9 persons of Jarkal village search for Birsa one day. Declare, government declare, but deep at night, they capture Birsa while he was sleeping inside a small hut in a forest. But now, small forest in the when he was sleeping during the sleeping time. But by that time, that time Birsa was tired of running from place to place and was not in good health. But this time, not good health, but he is tired. So, but now tired of running this place because of the very difficult to run that he was handed over to the police at Ranchi, where hundreds of his followers gathered. This time, hundreds of gathers, but now, while he was taken to prison, he told to his followers in a tearful eye. But now this time is very sad, but now tearful. Do not feel disappointed, but now very sad. Don't think I'm running away, leaving you behind. I'm running you, leaving you behind. That time, do not think our fight. He has come to an end. We will continue our fight. Will we? Till we die. This time when we will continue our fight, will we die? That don't think that this time. But what will happen this time? Suddenly, so anybody suddenly. But now, while this time very tired, because of will continue that fight. Fight will die. Next, SGP question 3, comprehension question. Which battle was very painful for Birsa? Which battle was very painful for Birsa? The battle at Domeri Hill near Ranchi was very painful for Birsa. Battle. This time, the battle at Domeri Hill near Ranchi was very painful for Birsa. What did the government declare for Birsa capture? What did the government declare for Birsa capture? Any students say? But now, next, the government declare reward the capture Birsa. Next question 3. Who helped the Britisher to arrest Birsa? Any school can say this question?
The 9% of
Who helped the British?
Jackal village arrest the Birsa. The 9% of Jackal village to arrest Birsa.
Yes, very good. Which school? Tell me. Which school? Tell me your name. Which school? I am asking you this question. Very good. Well done. Next, where was Birsa hand over to the police?
Birsa was handed over to the police at Ranchi.
Where was? Correct. Birsa was handed over to the police at Ranchi. Very well. Thank you. Tell me your name. What happened? Next question. What happened when he was handed over to the police? When
he handed over to the police at Ranchi, hundreds of his followers gathered here.
Yes, very, very good, very good. Many people gather there. Then the hundreds of people. Next, SGP 4. Read the paragraph 5. Later, it was said that Birsa died of cholera in Ranchi jail on 30 May. Later, I mean to say after. It was said that Birsa died. Died means death. But now cholera in Ranchi. Which place? But now the capital of Jharkhand. Now in Ranchi jail on 30 May. On before 30 May. I mean to say date on before May month is preposition on. And but it was suspect by many that he was poisoned. This time very many poison. Thus ended the life of the greatest of tribal heroes. Ended the life of the greatest. Birsa died more than 100 years ago. Birsa died more than 100 years ago. I mean 100 years ago. Before. Just but still lives in our memory. That lives in memory. The government of India and many state governments have named many institutes such as Birsa Munda Airport, Birsa Institute and of Technology Education, etc. after him. A university, Birsa Agriculture University, is named after him. The government of India has also produced a documentary on Birsa Munda. Now there will be Agriculture University situated. Now Birsa Munda Airport. Technical Issue Institute, Birsa Institute of Technology Education. After a university there. SGP 4. What was said about Birsa death?
It said that Birsa was died of cholera on Ranchi jail 9th June 1990.
It was said that Birsa died of cholera in Ranchi jail 30 May. And this question now again. It was said that Birsa died of cholera in Ranchi jail 30 May.
30 May 19.
19. You know that. You know that question. Doubt? Have you any doubt?
Sir.
No. It was said that Birsa died. No, it was said that Birsa died of cholera. Do all the people believe it? Next question. Do all the people
All-
believe?
No, all the people did not believe that.
No, all
No.
All the people
No.
did not believe that.
people did
No, all the people did not believe it. What do many people suspect? Many people
Many
suspect that it
people
was
suspect poison.
poison. Many people who suspect? What do many people? Many people suspect. Many people suspect that it was poison. How many years did Birsa Munda live?
the man 25 years did Birsa Munda live. 25 years did Birsa Munda live.
Yes, yes. Birsa Munda lived for 1875 to 1900 years bracket because many years. Note down that question. Every student I am telling you, note down this question. Fill in the blanks with the words choosing from bracket. Fill the blanks with the words choosing from bracket. In, against, from, at. No. First question. Birsa Munda was born as a poor family in 1875.
Birsa Munda was born in a poor family.
1875.
I mean to say this is question, but now bracket. Fill in the blanks with the words choosing from brackets. In, against, from, at.
In
Birsa Munda was born as a poor family 1875.
In a poor family.
Correct. Tell me your name. Well done, boy. Next,
Study in a
he study
school at Katanga.
in a school days Katanga.
At Katanga. At Katanga.
At Katanga. Very good. Well done. He study in the land road remove. Birsa does the job.
From the job.
From.
From the job.
I mean to say where in. Do you know? But now in every year, before every year, you know. Every year before in. Every month in before in. Note down. Every month before in. Every year before in. Yes, but now place, Katanga is place, but now place, but at. Now city before in. Now days in Raulkala, days in Sundargarh.
In
Before in.
Sundargarh.
But yes. In now Sundargarh, Raulkala, I mean to city. In before, I mean to in. The land road, land, removed Birsa. I mean to move, removed, I mean to here and there. But now, searching for job, I mean to from. Before, next, he was deaf, blind, belief or superstition.
Against.
He was against blind belief or superstition.
Very good. Well done. Now against he was against blind, belief or superstition. What is the meaning of superstition? What is the meaning of superstition? Andha Vishwas. I mean to sleep. I mean to say, believe. विश्वास, विश्वास करो, believe. Blind, अंधा. But he was blind beliefs or superstition against अंधा विश्वास. I mean to say born. Born means born. I mean to say born. जन्म में born. Poor family. कौन poor family? What? That means?
ଗରିବ ପରିବାର ଗରିବ ପରିବାର
Very good. Thank you. Match words under A with the words under B. Write the words numbers of A in the box of B. A, B. But do you know that now match words under A with the words under B, write the words number of A in the box of B. A, B, land, blind, blaze, money, paddy. Land means matching. Huh?
Lord, landlord, landlord.
Very good. Blind,
Believe.
blaze,
Quack.
money,
Land.
paddy,
Field.
paddy, field. Yes. Note down. Landlord, blind, believe, blaze, quack. Money.
Money lender.
Now this mistake L-A-N-D-R. Now this is mistake L-A-N-D-R. Ready?
Field.
Field. Note down every student. Landlord, blind, believe, blaze, quack, money, lender, L-A-N-D-R. Ready? Field. But now is a harvest this now cutting paddy. Where now this season is going on, but now paddy is cutting. But where? But now field. But a rice field. Note down land, money lender, L-A-N-D-R. Okay. Complete the following sentence choosing the most appropriate alternative form. Complete the following sentence choosing the most appropriate alternative form. One, Birsa Munda was born in the year 1. A. 1875, B. 1857, C. 1900, D. 1885. But now Birsa Munda was born in the year? Correct.
1875.
Thank you. Many thanks. Well done, this girl. Next, he worked as a cow. Next, he worked as a cow boy because death. His father was cruel. He did not like to study. His family was poor. He did not study well. A, B, C, D. Choose. Now, he worked as a cow.
His family was poor. His family was poor.
His family was
His family was poor. Poor.
Very good. Well done. Next. Birsa was fond of. I mean to a of. Fond of. This is incorrect. Of. Look at your button. Birsa was fond of. Moving in the forest. A. Moving in the forest. B. Gardening cows in the jungle. Reading books. Talking to many people.
Reading books.
Reading books.
Reading books.
Fond of. Also, do you also reading books? Tell me, do you like to read it? Do you like to read fond of books? Birsa
Yes.
was fond of? Yes, thank you. Many
Like
thanks.
reading books.
Reading books, very good, very good. Reading books. For he did not obey the village quake advice to sacrifice a god because yes, he believed in the superstition. He did not like him. The quake was messenger of the British government. He did not believe in superstition. Which question is correct? He did not obey the village quake advice to sacrifice a god because
He believed. He did not believe in superstition. He did not believe in superstition. Superstition. He did not believe in superstition. In superstition.
very good, very good. He did not believe in superstition. Next, 5. The British force was defeated in a battle. Death. 8. Katanga, Kunti, Ranchi, Jarkal.
Khunti.
Yes.
Khunti.
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 Yes. The British force was defeated in battle at Kunti. Yes. Katanga, Kunti, Ranchi, Jarkal.
Khunti.
The British police killed hundreds of innocent tribals. The British police killed hundreds of Dumari.
At Tumari Hill.
हाँ, at Kunti, at
Tumari Hill.
Ranchi, at Jarkal. At Dumari Hill. What is the meaning of hill? I mean to say mountain. Mountain. Parvato. I mean to say the British police killed hundreds of innocent tribal at Dumari Hill. Next. Now write the second forms of the following verbs in the space. Provide you can refer to the text if necessary. Anybody? Now write the second form. Now all work. Homework. That's all. Thank you.